On March 31st, 2026, the AI industry changed forever. Not because of a new model release, but because of a human error so mundane it borders on the impossible. Anthropic, the $30 billion titan of safety-first AI, accidentally published a 60 megabyte source map file to the public NPM registry. In an instant, 513,000 lines of unobfuscated TypeScript, the secret sauce for Claude Code, were mirrored and forked across the dark corners of GitHub. This isn't just a security breach. It is the most significant transfer of intellectual property in the history of the AGI race. While the mainstream media is calling it a glitch, the architect sees a goldmine. Anthropic just accidentally open-sourced the blueprints for the most advanced agentic harness ever built. Today, we are auditing the Claude leak. I'm going to show you exactly what was inside those 1900 files, and more importantly, how you can use these stolen blueprints to build a $5,000 a month AI automation agency. If you've been looking for the unfair advantage in the AI era, this is it. To understand why this matters, we have to look at the architecture. The leak was caused by a single missing line in a .npm ignore file. Because Anthropic uses the bun bundler, it generated a full source map by default. This map didn't just show the code, it revealed the entire internal product roadmap. The community analysis has uncovered over 44 feature flags, fully built capabilities that Anthropic has kept hidden from the public. The most explosive discovery is a system called Kairos. In the codebase, Kairos is defined as an always-on autonomous daemon. Unlike the version of Claude you use, which waits for you to type, Kairos is designed to run in the background of a server, self-correcting its own logic and performing auto-dreaming sessions to consolidate its memory while the user is offline. Then there is UltraPlan. This is an extended remote planning mode that allows the agent up to 30 minutes of autonomous reasoning without a single human check-in. And finally, the Buddy system, a persistent AI companion that uses a rarity-based character generation engine to evolve alongside the user. These aren't just features, they are the fundamental building blocks of agentic labor. Anthropic spent billions of dollars to perfect the coordinator mode that allows these agents to work in swarms. Now, the logic for that coordination is sitting on your hard drive. Most people on YouTube are telling you to prompt your way to wealth. That is a loser's game. The real money in 2026 is in orchestration. Your goal is to build an AI automation agency that sells digital employees to businesses that are drowning in administrative debt. The leak revealed the exact prompt chains and tool use logics Anthropic uses to make Claude appear so intelligent. You can now take these immutable message logs and schema-first designs and apply them to local businesses. Imagine walking into a law firm or a medical clinic and offering them a private, secure agent that runs on their own local server, handles their entire billing cycle autonomously, and never leaks data to the cloud. By using the OpenClaw framework, the open source community's response to the leak, you can deploy these Kairos-style daemons for clients today. You aren't selling software, you are selling the recovery of time. A standard retainer for a custom-built, locally hosted agentic workflow starts at $2,500 a month. 2 clients, and you have replaced a corporate salary using logic that Anthropic intended to keep under lock and key until 2027. To execute this, you need the right kit. The first tool is OpenClaw. Find the repository on GitHub and study the agentic harness patterns. Look specifically at the permission middleware. The leak revealed that Anthropic uses a 3-stage permission system: a classifier for low-risk tasks, programmatic hooks for safety, and a final user dialog for destructive actions like git push. This is the safety-first architecture that businesses will pay a premium for. Your second tool is Bun. The fact that Anthropic chose Bun over Node.js is a massive technical signal. It tells you that execution speed and single binary deployment are the keys to scaling agents. If you want to build a high-performance agency, you build on Bun. Finally, use the soul.md configuration files found in the OpenClaw ecosystem. These allow you to hard code the personality and rules of your agents using the same undercover mode logic discovered in the leak. This prevents your agents from hallucinating or going off script, which is the #1 fear for business owners. The predictive analysis for the rest of 2026 is a commoditization of intelligence. As these leaks continue, the brains, the models themselves, will become a utility, like electricity. The real wealth will be captured by the electricians, the people who know how to wire the house. We are moving into a market where digital labor will replace software as a service. The billion-dollar mistake Anthropic made on March 31st has just leveled the playing field. You now have the same blueprints as a $30 billion lab. The only question is, are you going to stay a spectator of the leak, or are you going to become an architect of the solution? In our next briefing, we will look at the OpenClaw revolution in detail. I will show you how to host these agents on a $5 a month server to generate $5,000 in value. Subscribe to stay equipped. Information is the fuel, but execution is the takeaway. Stop being the liquidity. Become the architect. I will see you in the machine.